What is going on, everyone? It's Gia here representing JiasWorld, and we have an epic unboxing. For those of you who know me know, I am a true Michigan Wolverine. Okay, born and raised in Michigan. I have 2 college degrees from the University of Michigan, Flint Extension Campus, my bachelor's degree and my master's degree, and I'm doing a special unboxing today, right? For my good friend Stefan Anthony, who does 3D printing, entrepreneur, creative engineer person. So let's do this. Here's the packaging. Professional. And what I did was, he had it where you can do pre-orders. And I asked for a Block M 3D print for my desk office. And I have 2 offices. So I have my home office, and then I have my at-work office that I have that I will be decorating and getting together fairly soon. Why not, you know? Always pay attention to detail. It's one of the 3D prints. Again, he does 3D printing. And these are 3D desk printing models. So here it go. And it's got my name on it. And it's the Michigan Block M maize in blue. Check it out. Gia right there. Right here. Masters of Arts, because that's Masters of Arts for me. Liberal arts, social studies, social sciences, you know, U.S. history, politics, women and gender studies, sexuality studies, the whole 9 yards. So that's one. And then here goes the blue one, right? Block M, and as you can see, it's that dark navy blue. Gia right there. MA again. So shout out to Stefan Anthony. Thank you so much for the 3D prints. They are dope. One will be here at my home office. The other one will be at my office at work. But that is so dope. And see, it's got the BA and the MA because I got my Bachelor's of Arts in Sociology with a minor in Substance Abuse Treatment and my Master's of Arts in Social Sciences from the University of Michigan at the Flint Extension Campus. So this is dope. Thumbnail. Yeah. There we go. If you all would like to order from Stefan Anthony in his 3D printing business, I will post how you can do that in the description box below. Make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments, follow me on all my social media accounts, and I'll talk to y'all later. Deuces.